A guide aid for the removal tool is placed in position. The perfect fit of the guide sleeve on the implant is checked. We recommend securing a piece of dental floss to the guide aid when working intraorally to prevent aspiration or swallowing of the component. The M06 removal tool is taken out. Corresponding tools are available for different diameters. There are 3 hardened spikes on the tip of the instrument that key onto the fracture area of the remaining part of the screw. The guide aid centers the removal tool. Vertical pressure is applied on the removal tool using the index finger. The removal tool is turned anti-clockwise. This procedure is repeated until a slight snapping can be felt on the fingertips. The snapping signals that the remaining part of the screw has now reached the top thread of the implant. The modelling base is taken off again and the unscrewed remaining part of the screw is removed.